Welcome. In front of me is a Bocoin K800 and today I will show you how to enter the Fastboot mode. So to start off, we will need to actually power off the device. So hold the power key, tap on power off, confirm it once more, and now wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, we will start holding power key and volume up together. So right about now, power key, volume up simultaneously. And from here, we'll only use volume up to navigate, like so, and volume down to confirm it. So select Fastboot mode and volume down to confirm it, and we're now in Fastboot mode. So that is basically how you access it. Now, if you would like to leave this mode, you can just hold the power key for about like 10 seconds, I think it is. Basically till the screen shuts off. Okay. Now press it once more to actually turn on the device. Okay. And now the device will turn back on into the normal Android. And we're back. So that is basically how you access Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.